Video I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Ads step-by-step guidance, especially for those who are beginner. You can set up your Facebook ads by using mobile phone. This is how I can show you step-by-step guidance how to read it without any problem. If you consider that, you can see here the ad that has been started within minutes ago. You can see here the email that Google sent me. You see Google Ads sent you conversation track, as you can see, and also here another email. Your account cannot show ads, started running your ads, enter your billing information. So that's how we can use the Google Ads application to set up your campaign. So now I'm going to show you step-by-step guidance how to do it. Just what you have to do now is to stop and bear some patience to watch this video from the beginning to an end, because you don't want to miss any single seconds of this video, because it is very important. So now, once you for those who don't have this application, let me show you where you can download it. You can come to Google Play Store. When you come to Google Play Store, you can type Google Ads. You can see here it appear. So I already downloaded it just for the beginner. That is why you can see here. This is how you can see the result after you are starting running ads on the Google application for you are creating advertising. So let's start it without wasting any problem. That is the introduction. So once you come to this application where you can start to make your campaign, just click here campaign. You can see, so here is what is your business name. Enter your business name, optional. So maybe you can set out your name. For example, let's say like tech or technology. Then your website URL, you can see here is my own. So what you have to do now, consider here, click next. After you click next, it will bring you to the next step where you can choose a campaign type, what you want to achieve, or where you want to get the traffic, through search or performance marks or smart. For example, what you have to understand here is search. You can see is recommended text-based ads on Google search for getting input of high intent customers, or performance marks, find higher value customers across all Google's network. Also, the last one is smart. Manage your search ads in an easy to use platform tailored to small businesses, but you have to use this search already. It has been recommended for you. Just click for the next step. Just you have to stop and watch this video from the beginning to an end, because it is very important. So now you are going to naming your campaign name. Click here. For example, let's say perhaps let me write traffic, for instance. You can add a budget that you amount of money you want to spend. Let's say, for example, $100, for instance. You can see, so enter the average you want to spend each day, right? Okay, for each day. So let's say maybe you can start with a minimum. After you see a good result, you can start with a maximum. I hope you understand it. So let's say perhaps let's say $20, for example. You can put the amount you want to spend. So now you have conversions. What do you want to focus on? Click and select what you want to focus on. Do you need a clicks or impression? So we need a clicks, right? So that is, so now you have an opportunity, for example, to set a maximum cost per click bid limit, right? But here you can see some notice. You have chosen to focus on clicks using maximum clicks bid strategy, but your account track conversation. You couldn't get more conversation by choosing to focus on conversion, for instance. So you can see, so I have to understand here. So here is the more certain. So you can try to do whatever you want. Just click here. I want you to bear some patience just to do it step by step without any problem. You see how I already choose it. You can see the started end of the day. You can set out the day that you are start and the day that you want to add to what to end, right? So as you can see here, you can choose a location. Let's say all countries and tourism, or let's say Australia, or perhaps you can perhaps change your mind to choose a location that you want. Let's say, for example, target maybe most people they want to target like USA or Canada, Australia, and so on. Let's say USA, United States. You can see as our target option that you want to perhaps achieve. You can target more than one. You can also click on the perhaps turn Australia. You can use it for the country that has higher CPC. You can see also again, let's say Canada, because Canada is a country that a developing country, also have a higher CPC. You can see I select almost 3 targeted locations. So let me click done. So you can see here, now you are right to choose a languages. Do you need a languages all, or only you are particularly to choose whatever you want? For example, let's say all language, right? Yes. So what you have to do next here is the add schedule all day, for instance. Also the place where you can choose Monday to Friday, Saturday to Sunday. You can see, so you have to bear some patience just in order to understand all the video on don't to do any mistake. So here is optimize prepare best performing ads, all the notes optimized rotated as indefinitely. So right, maybe you can click on this because low performance ad will run about as often as higher performing ads for an indefined period of time. So for this situation, you have right to choose whatever you want, but I recommended you to select this, the not to optimize rotated ads indefinitely. Just click this one. You can test it later, or if you see the result, you can decide to change it or not. So now as you can see here, we move here. I don't want to waste all of our time, but due to in order to understand how to do it without any problem, that is why I do it step by step. So now is the add group name. Give it name. Let me write technology as I write for the first time, right? So you can see here is the place where you customize your keywords. Keywords are the word or phrase that are used to match your ads with the terms people are searching for. It is very important. Let me remove this one. Let me trying to add a keyword, for example. What you are targeting keyword, for example, how to do what? How to do SEO, or how to sell products, or for example, how to do affiliate marketing. It depends on what you need. You need a traffic to our site, or you want to perhaps sell a products, right? So maybe you can say how to do SEO, for example. How to do SEO. People who are searching for how to do SEO, they will see your site on top of Google, right? So as you can see here, it added. You can add another one. Let's say keyword research, for example. It's just for example. It depends whether to perhaps change it on your own that you need for it. You can get keyword idea. For example, here is what I have to do. Let me write SEO. Click, for example, just in order to understand. Wow, you see SEO services rank star. You will see backlinks, SEO marketing, best SEO agency from 10k to 100k. That's the perhaps keyword idea. You can select whatever you want, for example, then click add it. They already added right here. So let us move to the next step. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment for your action on watching this video. Let's move to the next step, right? So you can see it is so easy without any wasting time. You can set out your campaign by using Google Ads application. So now it is place where you complete others requirements just in order to make your campaign more professional, to get more traffic to your website, to get multiple profit. That is a great opportunity for anyone who want to run a campaign by using Google Ads, because it is very important and it is easy to use. It is almost guaranteed. You can spend perhaps $10 to get $300. You can spend $300 to get almost $1,000. So it happens. But based on how you set up your campaign is means that you can get the result. So in order to get a better result, so you have to stop and watch this video from the beginning to an end. You don't want to miss any single seconds, because if you miss it, you miss the part of important of this video. So now it is a place where you can set up set up some requirement for your, perhaps, let's say for your site. So now, for example, let's say here like SEO, let's say here keywords search, for example, you can see already added. So now it's a new headline. You can write SEO. I hope you understand. Now here you can write keywords, for example. Here you can write research. I hope you understand. So you can also add a headline, new one. You can add description. So let's say here this is the best place to know, for example, how to do SEO, for example. And another for example, to know how to do SEO, then visit our site or our website, for example, you can see. And also you can add description new. It is a great opportunity, I hope you understand. But here you can see say add more headlines to increase your chance for better performance. It means that you can add a new headline, for example. You can add a new one, for example. Let me say like traffic, for example, just for, you see, now you can see you see too. So whatever, now let me move to the, perhaps, okay, now we are the final place where you can publish our ads. As you can see here is the place where you can publish your ads. So when you click here, it will take you where you can add payment method, just in order for Google to review your campaign settings to see what is according to their policies. You know, every king has a ruling system according to his what, according to his perhaps the people that he is ruling in particular place. That is why Google has his own policy. That is why almost every businessman has his perhaps personal instruction, personal rules and regulation, and also it is allowed. I hope you understand. So whatever, this is how you can set up your campaign by using Google application. Much easier and simple one. And if you can see here, let me come back again and show you once again to see how you can get better result after you running your ads. So this is amazing. For example, and the last 7 days impression for almost 500k, and with 30 clicks you get impression to your website. Impression will help you to get more profit, especially if your website already been monetized. And if you have a new website, also you have a new chance to start to running Google ads to get traffic to your website, just in order to get Google AdSense approval instantly. This is some secret which nobody ever tell you, right? So sometimes people get confusing, get perhaps misunderstanding how Google works, how Google understanding on your website, why he doesn't, or why it is not perhaps approve your website. It is due to the organic traffic. If your website getting organic traffic, Google will approve your website instantly, even if you have a few articles on your website. So it is very important to get organic traffic to your website, just in order to get Google AdSense approval. If your website already been monetized, you have a new chance to start to run ads. You can do it by perhaps affiliate marketing. You can run campaigns by using Google Ads as towards to get more installation for your application. So whatever else maybe, you can buy and sell it by running your campaign to use Google AdSense, because it is almost 100% is guaranteed. So this is how you can run your ads on Google AdSense. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget perhaps to give like, leave a comment for your action of watching this video. Thank you, and see you in the next one.